Hey Tigers, welcome to this week's episode of KTIG9 News. I'm Jose.
And I'm Maddie. Let's begin our show with some school announcements.
We had 3 weeks until the end of the school year and 2 weeks until final exams. Exams will happen on Tuesday, May 20th through Friday, May 23rd.
We will have early release on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday that week. No exams can be taken early. If you miss an exam, you will have to make it up in the summer.
Announcement from the library: students need to return their books to the library before the end of the school year. May 9th is the last day to check out books.
To sell out or not sell out, tonight and tomorrow, May 2nd and 3rd at 7 p.m. CHS Theater turns to Shakespeare's Greatest Tragedy with corporate sponsors and mid-play commercial advertising. It's a parody mixed with a load of pop culture fun. You can buy a ticket at conroe.seatyourself.biz, and it comes with a free dessert.
Theater update. This weekend's performances of Hamlet are sold out. Limited standing room only seats will be available for $5 at the door. Please arrive early to get on the waiting list.
Moving on to sports, the Coral baseball team has made it to the bi-district playoff. They are currently playing for the best of 3 games against all teams.
The Lady Tiger softball team are currently in round 2 of the playoffs. They're playing game 2 against Clean Oak tonight at Grand Oaks and will play game 3 right after if everything is all tied up. Let's go Tigers.
Up next, we check out what's cooking in new freshman flavors.
Then we celebrate the day, so stay tuned.
Welcome to Freshman Flavors. Today we'll be making a simple yet fancy brunch item that will be perfect for Mother's Day: mixed berry French toast kebabs.
Whether you're letting mom sleep late while you prepare a show-stopping brunch or plan to bring her a tray and serve breakfast in bed, there's no doubt mom will appreciate taking the morning off.
To start, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 slices of French toast bread, cut into cubes, 10-inch bamboo stick skewers, 7 berries or blueberries or blackberries, 7 strawberries, 1 tablespoon of confectioner's sugar, and extra maple syrup.
You will also need measuring cups and spoons, a medium bowl, a knife, a skillet, a sifter, a whisk, a spoon, a spatula, tongs.
Once you have all your materials together, you will be ready to start. First, place cracked eggs into a medium bowl and whisk thoroughly. Add milk, vanilla extract, and maple syrup. Whisk again and combine all ingredients. Next, preheat a large skillet over medium heat and melt your butter.
While the butter is melting, place your cubed bread into the egg mixture and toss gently until well coated.
Using your tongs, remove the bread from the mixture and place into skillet. Fry bread cubes about 2 minutes on each side until golden brown. Remove to plate. Take a skewer stick and alternate your French toast cubes and berries. It's a great start to a great Mother's Day.
It's time to celebrate the day. Today is National Space Day. The history of National Space Day goes back to the very beginning of the universe when life and everything else as we know it first started. In more modern terms, Space Day got its start in 1997.
The day was created to help kids and students consider a career in STEAM, especially the aerospace industry. It is also a great opportunity to observe the many wonders and mysteries of outer space. Today's the perfect day to watch a movie set in space or even just stare in the night sky and wonder what is out there.
Here's our current weather forecast for the next 7 days. Today, expect thunderstorms with a high of 80 and a low of 63. This weekend, expect cloudy skies with highs in the mid-80s and lows in the upper 50s. Next week should be cloudy and rainy as we start the countdown to summer.
That's it for this week's episode of KTIG9 News. I'm Jose.
And I'm Maddie.
Sick and Tigers.